Welcome to the Mix, lovelies and friends. And on the Mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is talking about Misty and Marcia. Now, he is in his courthouse and trying to split justice between the both of them. Now, guys, you would have to go and hear what Dwayne has to say about what is going on social media. And there is this guy that came out and basically he was talking some stuff about Marcia, and he mentioned Miss D's name, stating that he should have done something to Marcia, um, and so that is where things are. So Dwayne is in his court. He's trying to basically to split justice between what is going on here on social media. So guys, go ahead and go catch the video. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my wonderful lovelies that are out there celebrating their wonderful, beautiful birthdays today, have yourselves a wonderful day. And I wish you joy, peace, happiness, love, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies and my supporters out there, have yourselves a wonderful day. Live good and laugh a lot and put a smile on someone else's face while you keep a smile on yours. Have yourselves a beautiful day.
Mighty God.
Only undercover fish talk to me like that. Me I ask you. The boy a fish.
Apparently someone says he sells fruits in Brooklyn. Yes, Curly, he is. Oh wow. Are you saying he loves bottom? He loves nyosh. He loves nyosh. What you not saying?
If you think say name now go in the police station and get other protection by you make a sad mistake. The more you keep it up, and the more charges come by you. Me glad you come threaten me a while ago. Me glad you come threaten me for that a while ago. That's what you say. You call her name. You say you should have boxed me down for that. I hope she knows that not look good for her if you know see her plank a tear in them out there. I walk up threaten other bloggers. Then can't say me I like her, the evidence is there.
My God.
I was going to dash it out on my paper, upon my page, but me not give no promotion. Me give me no promotion already in my screenshot, so me not promoting no more because him gone up 200 and add from 5,000. He gone 5,200 and add. Because them a follow him over there give all as comments. That's what him say. So she not realize that these people have put her name into jeopardy. Because when we go down at the police...
Do you guys believe the planks really like Donna? Because bear in mind, anyone who they don't like per se, they in my opinion, them love to drag, or they love to support people who drags Donna's enemies. Enemy? I don't know. But do you guys them like Donna? On the feast them like Donna? I don't know if them like Dana. You know what I'm gonna say openly? I feel like there was only 2 people who was genuine to Dana. Only 2. Only 2. At Westmoreland, I'm coming. What do you say? So I try to understand.
Her name will be down there too because because him did it. She a work for him.
Oh.
She create a group up here and she have them come out and threaten people. Yes, and that's why I say a while ago, I lie. Them say me a liar, me wicked. Me wicked and me lie. Me want me wicked and lie. I said yes. I said that you send them. That's what I said. What me lie about?
I
you
agree.
Send them. And you did you boost them up. Are you called to you cultivate? Is your call to you cultivate?
Oh. Okay, Stacey, I
Me
understand
want you
now.
come box me. Me want you come box me. Me a come a Queens for you box me. Me a come a Brooklyn for you come box me.
Him say, "Welcome back, sir."
Me a come a Brooklyn.
Did he say that?
1000 Shutter Avenue. Come box me. I will be in Brooklyn at 1000 Shutter Avenue. Come box me. I will go live and wait on you to come and box me when I come in town. 1000 Shutter Avenue. Meet me there. Meet me there if you come and box me. Fidana. Meet me
Him
there.
said that
I
voice
will be
note.
there in the week coming.
What you not say?
1000 Shutter Avenue. Come box me.
Pause. You said him send Curly voice note. Where is that video? Where is the video? I want that video. That's gonna be tomorrow. That's gonna be tomorrow live. That's gonna be tomorrow's live. Send me that video. More hear the voice note myself. Did Master play the voice note? Did Master play the voice note? That's my only question. Listen, I'm telling you now, the levels these people go to for Donegal. Donegal don't realize these people are fucking her up. I'm excuse my French, but these people are fucking up her image. On a finger job, Donegal is a well-known social media figure. And don't realize she has way more to lose than they do. Way more to lose. These people are fucking up her image. They are. I want to feast on doing something good, they will fuck up her image. And I'm being blunt. I'm being as blunt as can be. Someone can understand what's happening here. They will fuck up that go image. Ask on yourself why people like Rihanna, Beyonce, and all of those people, they don't behave like this, because they know they have a whole lot to lose. What can be done? What can be done about these fans that turn fanatics, right? Me don't get any voice note. Me don't get any voice note. Let him send. So we have to talk about Stacey. Kylie just cleared it up. Stacey, are you a mole? Stacey, Marcia saying she never got no voice note. Are you a mole? I feel like Stacey's a mole now. Because Stacey, you're saying Majesty cussed me out, and you then go and say Kylie got voice note, and she never got no voice note. She's there. Luckily she's there. Are you a mole? I would have come out a long time and talk about it. I know you're scared. But even so, let's hold Stacey's argument. If that would have happened, Curly, them don't realize them is fucking up Donegal's image. Them is doing it. Them don't realize they think what them is doing is gonna put her in good light, and it won't. Planks on the don't realize. Ask on yourself why people like Beyonce, Rihanna, all of those top celebrities, they don't behave like this. You know why? Because they have so much to lose. So much to lose. On a no say that I got America, or she got America, right? I would not say it's a lot of Jamaicans who support her. Fine. On a don't know about, do you know how easy it is to cancel people? I'm not gonna say she'll lose everybody, because that would be a lie. But it is. Do you know who Jeffree Star is? Jeffree Star. He's a well-known makeup personnel who had a YouTube channel. And they have a YouTube channel, right? Not even alone. There was another one. I think that one called James something. Both of them got cancelled. You know why? Go and reset him. Go reset him. He said it on his page. Currently, him say it on his page. Allegedly, apparently. Listen, you guys don't realize on a thing because allegedly love Donegal. When not doing her no favors. You're not doing her no favors. And I'm telling you, I've been around on social media long enough to know what is happening and what is not happening. I know Jeffree Star. Then you must know. You come from America. You must know Jeffree Star, girl. How would you not know Jeffree? What about the other one? There's another one called James. I can't remember last name. Right? The two of them got cancelled. But Jeffree Star did bounce back. He did bounce back. The other one, I don't know what happened to the other one. I don't know what it is. On a don't love that, no, on a don't love her. Because if the love her, on would be encouraging her anti. And you know another thing? All of those people who don't got choose to affiliate with. You know, I just sit back and enjoy my little mix up, and I'm laughing at all of you because on a foolish plus tax. On a don't have no sense. Yes, I'm the one who shouldn't have no sense, or I'm the one who should be going for all manner of shit. I'm not innocent, I'm dark. And I will never go back and forth with dark people. So you know the one over there so always says cost me Stacey? Darling, no boy will cost me. No boy will used to look me, can't cost me. You're crazy. I'm the one, and you're crazy. You're crazy, girl. I don't know why I'm answering. I don't know why I let it go. I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna pretend like I never hear what you say.
Me I wait for you to come back, me $2 for your boss.
Right?
Jesus Christ. Thank you, Jesus. What a piece of ass. My goodness. Look, what a piece of ass.
Donna has no respect.
Look how me pick up my friend yesterday and I left him. What a that piece of bumbo clot. If you see the fucking face, I couldn't even pull up on me like that. What a ass if he may pull up on me. I couldn't even do it. This was supposed to... What a ass if me never would left my friend.
Curly, I don't know if it's still over here. You need to turn on your super chats on. Just turning your super chats on YouTube. You turn them off. You probably don't realize, but you turn off your super chats. Turn them back on.
That was supposed to drive with me come to New York yesterday. Yo, for yesterday, if you couldn't stop. You couldn't stop. You couldn't stop. Me not ask you. You couldn't stop. And because of me alone. One look on if you couldn't stop. You couldn't stop. God knows certain things, you know. God knows certain things. Look how we supposed to pick up my friend yesterday. Suppose my friend was in the car.
Paulette, you are so right. And you know, honestly, I'm gonna tell you, at the time, what is that? Dwayne, you used to cuss people out for Donna too, because you cussed me out and blocked me. You know, Paulette, I wouldn't say you're right. But it's never too late for a shower of rain, right? It's never too late for a shower of rain. And trust me, I see Miss Sino, she's not a good human being, so why the hell should I call? And you know another thing, Paulette? I felt like I had no other choice because of how they was controlling the space. I'm telling you, they had control over my space. Because bear in mind, I couldn't come on my page, and I couldn't do what me wanted per se. Like I couldn't post my one post. Because bear in mind, I never did. I wasn't doing no lives. I was just posting my mix-up videos, right? And when she got and follow me with the whole Tina Chin saga, I realized then, sorry, cool. I that them used to catch me, part I that them used to catch me. I'm telling the truth. But listen, that shit can never happen again. Can't happen again. You're mad, girl. Outclass them. That can never happen again. And I'm sorry. I did block you. I'm so sorry. Right? You're on block now, and I'm very sorry one more time. It will never happen again. All right?
What are the piece of ass? You talk about say if you did drive your... I want to tell people I finished with my clothes. They must finish already. Drop me, chop in me. To the police department right here. Right here yesterday. They have a call for the that number to put on it. Now he come on telephone and he come on Facebook and make live a while ago on YouTube. And say him should have boxed me down. Give me 2 bucks, put on mask. And say if him did wear a mask, why would that do to me? If me driving different vehicle.
You're there.
Mm-hmm.
Now look for that
Why
live
would that do
yourself.
to me? Feel handy, Dana.
Let me go see if I can still alive.
That's why I'm should have do to me when me tell him to kiss my ass. If him having care with the mask, so him having mask over him face. What a nice evidence. You want to ramp with Brooklyn Police Department? Oh, I hate the power with a run Dalavan. Oh, me screen record that I put here a while ago. Everybody send it, come give me. Everybody send
Oh,
it.
so she have it then. She have it that good.
And calling me all kind of name and whore and sell pussy and all kind of same thing, eh? I mean, never sell that dirty boy none. Because him look like him not get no pussy at all. Him look like him buy pussy. So I don't know how him tell me something I sell pussy, I never sell him none. Because even if he carry $1,000, come give me one pussy from him. Look at him cranny. Name face. Him beard look like he have crab louse in there. You know, see, I know yes, a crab louse I eat you out.
But you know this person Curly, right? I'm gonna tell you, he used to be out here, and then he just went MIA, right? I remember at the point Mixup Queen to post him. Remember a couple of times, if you go to his page, there's only a couple of videos where he somewhat enjoy costume. People like I would not look on him, like he just can't get my attention. However, I remember him have a channel on YouTube. I'm channeling him again. He has a channel on YouTube. I'm sure that boy has a channel on YouTube. Very sure. And Mixup Queen supports him too. As an attack, where is Mixup Queen? Mixup Queen, you are missing in action. You need to come back. Mixup Queen, you know, say like I don't know where Mixup Queen is, but if Mixup Queen is any water, come back, girl. We miss you. We miss you. Understand? Come back with the people that mix up and post a bag of them. Understand? Mix that post now, so the range is there for you to enjoy yourself and post what you want to post. In face card declined. I can't look at that. I remember him though. I definitely remember him. He used to try to come at me when we started going back and forth with Dana. You know, I realize when these people realize them can't control her, they come at you. But darling, anyone who want to come, I'm still gonna say Donna Gal is a thief. Donna Marie Gal from 99 Mountain View is a thief, a scammer, a kleptomaniac, a trickster. I'm now take it back. Donna Gal, I'm not saying you're stealing now, but I know in my heart now, you were stealing then. And I'm sure about it too. I'm telling you, I have my body parts in my phone because I dashed out long time, but I chose not to dash it out. But after the Kwame thing come out, how could I not speak? How could I not? You're a kleptomaniac. So you can continue to form this army around you. They're not doing no favors. They're only putting you out in a negative light. I'm telling you. The more them come, and the more people look at you sideways like, now I see why you turned away from God. You turned away from God for a reason. All Jamaican charities scam. That is true. However, Debbie, Donna scammed on a different level. The magnitude is beyond you or I, beyond us, that we can fathom, beyond. I'm me upset. This not gonna lie, I'm telling you, I'm very upset. Why I'm upset? Because I was tricked. I was tricked. And it bothers my spirit. It does.